Welcome to a fresh take on farmhouse decor. Today we're diving into the world of bold black accents, a trend that's transforming farmhouse interiors with sophistication and depth. Let's explore how a touch of black can elevate your farmhouse design. Let's start with furniture. In a traditional farmhouse, the boldness of black furniture provides a sharp contrast against lighter surroundings, making it a powerful focal point. Whether you go for matte black or glossy finishes, this furniture not only adds style but also grounds the space, giving it a modern yet rustic feel. Now let's talk walls. A black accent wall is a daring yet incredibly effective design choice in farmhouse decor. Whether it's in your living room, bedroom, or even the kitchen, a black wall adds instant drama and sophistication. The key is balance. Pair it with light, airy furniture and natural textures, like wood and linen, to create contrast that feels grounded yet elegant. Farmhouse kitchens are where we often see the most creativity, and black accents are no exception. Consider black hardware, drawer pulls, faucets, and light fixtures against a backdrop of white or wooden cabinetry. This simple yet bold choice creates a striking visual contrast that complements the warmth of rustic finishes. It's a modern touch that doesn't overwhelm, but instead refines the space. Lighting can make or break a space, and in farmhouse decor, black light fixtures provide that perfect edge. Think industrial-style pendant lights, black chandeliers, or even matte black sconces. These fixtures add a bold statement while still maintaining the cozy, inviting ambiance of the farmhouse style. Black accents aren't limited to the living areas. In the bedroom, black frame mirrors, bedding, and even furniture create a serene yet striking atmosphere. Pairing black with soft textures like cotton or wool bedding gives your space an inviting warmth while maintaining an air of sophistication. It's the perfect mix of comfort and style. Another place where black accents shine is in your hallway. Black framed artwork or mirrors against a backdrop of natural wood floors and white walls can make a hallway feel grand. The contrast between the dark frames and light surroundings draws the eye, creating a bold entryway that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Of course, you don't have to go all in with large furniture pieces or walls. Small black accents like a black vase, tray, or throw pillow can make a huge difference. These little pops of black tie the room together, adding layers of depth and richness without overwhelming the space. They're the perfect way to dip your toes into this bold trend. As you can see, bold black accents are redefining farmhouse decor. Whether you choose to introduce black through furniture, walls, lighting, or accessories, these accents offer a contemporary edge that complements the warmth and charm of traditional farmhouse style. It's the perfect blend of rustic and modern, creating a space that feels both timeless and fresh. Thank you for joining us in exploring bold black accents in farmhouse decor. If you're ready to give your home a chic, modern makeover with a rustic twist, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.